Hello kids, today we'll learn A, B, C and 1, 2, 3 with your favorite YouTube Kids channel. Let's get started. Green color, pink color, yellow color, sea green color, light blue color, red color, brown color, purple color, blue color, black color, orange color, sky blue color. A. A for apple. B. B for banana. C. C for cherry. One. O-N-E. One. Two. T-W-O. Two. Three. T-H. R-E-E. Three. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.